This is the brief on the facial reset. Unconsciously holding that tense professional face all day is actually a hidden culprit behind your headaches and daily exhaustion. First, we have to look at the toll of microtensions. When we're super busy or stressed, we totally unknowingly clench our jaws, furrow our brows, and just lock up those facial muscles. Holding this invisible tension is exactly like leaving a car engine revving in the red zone all day long. It silently burns through your energy and causes massive physical strain. Second, consider the nervous system. So, why does relaxing just a few tiny muscles in your face even matter? Well, because the brain constantly listens to the body. Deliberately releasing these microtensions sends a direct, immediate signal to your entire nervous system that the threat is past and hey, it's finally safe to relax. Finally, we've got a practical, on-the-go solution from Dr. Phang's MINDFULGym, the 3-valve facial stretches. The trick is to tense specific muscles, hold them for 10 seconds, and then completely let go to really feel that wave of relaxation. Try these 3. Say, ah, while opening your mouth super wide to stretch those muscles out. Then go, ee, clenching your teeth together to isolate that jaw tension. And last, ooh, stretching your nose vertically. Ultimately, intentionally stretching and dropping that professional mask is absolutely the fastest physical shortcut to tell your stressed out brain that it is safe to unwind.